Ready, rope, sharp, and light on the paddle. We're gonna want 2 lengths. Alright, it's party time. Let's firm it up to 3/4 press over 2 on this catch. Easy up, easy up, easy up, easy up. On the paddle. 15 from the start. Easy. Pause bodies over on this one. Ready. Go. Continuous. Firm it up. Into 5 to build. That's 1. That's 2. 5 to build. Building 31, 32, 34, 35, 36. You're on. That's it. Push set. Push set. Push set. Direct. Direct. Yeah, we're making good spacing. Right behind the MIT boat. We're not gonna pass them before the bridge. Yeah, this press is enough. Stay on it here. Rating's on 34. That's it. And we got 5 more till we stride. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Into stride with power. Ready? That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, this one. 1, set. 2, set. 3, set. 4, set. 5, squeeze. 6, cha. 7, cha. 8, cha. 9, cha. And 10, that's it. Next 10 strokes, get a little more direct. MIT, yield. Yield to port. Okay, coming around magazine now, 34.5. Into ratio shift, rotate around the front end. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, rotate around the front end. Lock, set. Yeah, lock, set. Okay, guys, now, MIT, move to port. Okay, ready? We're gonna go power 10 for 1 length on MIT. Into, that's 1, that's 2, on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, moving, 9, moving, and 10, right on. Okay, now guys, getting a little more direct around the front end. Sharp, take seats on base. Legs set, legs set, legs set. That's it, 34.5. Let's go down 1 with handles over flat knees and 2. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, handles over flat knees. Push set. Push set, 32.5. There it is. Now let's go 5 to float into the front end. On this one, float. 1, cha. 2, cha. 3, cha. 4, cha. And 5, right on, ladies. Short set, yeah. 32.5. Coming around magazine now. Guys, we're getting a little lifty around the front end. Listen up. All 8. Let's go legs to push 4, 5. Okay? On this one. Legs 1. Legs 2. Legs 3. Legs 4. And 5. Nice work. Now I have 32 base. Going against a bit of a headwind. Going onto the straightaway, guys. Let's go hips and swing. Hips, then swing. Hips, then swing. That's it, ladies. Mackenzie's feeling the rhythm. Catches are a lot sharper now. Okay, yeah. A little more direct here, guys. Sharp set. Sharp set. Guys, Riverside's right there. We're right on him. 32.5. 33. We are right on Riverside. Coming around their own fucking boathouse. 32.5. Ready? Here comes our second 15. This is for 1 length on Riverside, okay? Coming up in 3, squeeze. In 2, squeeze. And 1, bring it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sit up and go. 6, sit up and go. 7, yes. 8, sharp to the water now. 9, sharp to the water now. 10, give me 5 more, direct. 5, squeeze, legs to push. Legs to push. 3, squeeze. 2, squeeze. And 1, nice work. Heels on 32 and a half, 33. Ratio shift in 2. That's 1. Handles over flat knees. That's 2 on this one. Lock, set. Lock, set. Yeah. 32 and a half. Now listen up. I have just about 3 and a half legs of open back on Riverside. 32 and a half, and I want you to close it on the straightaway. Every stroke at base, okay? And we're coming across the first bridge in 25 strokes. 32 and a half, trust the base, trust the rhythm in 2. Let's go float for 5. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, flow. 1, set. 2, set. 3, set. 4, set. And 5 splits coming down. Good work now. Okay. Coming through the bridge is going to be our third move. Legs to push, hips to swing. This is going to be a Potomac Boat Club 15. Ready? In 3, squeeze. In 2, squeeze. And 1, this one. 1, set. 2, set. 3, squeeze. 4, first cruise since 05, ladies, go. 5, set. 6, squeeze. 7, legs to push. 8, legs to push. 9, yes. And 10, can we find more just like that? 5, squeeze. 4, squeeze. 3, squeeze. 2, squeeze. And 1, nice work. Yeah, settling back into base now. Let's go shoulders low. Reset the rhythm from the front end in 2. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, now clip her along here. Clip, ta, rock, sign, yeah. Okay, Mackenzie's calling for direct, guys. Let's go direct for 5 on this one. 1, sharp to the water here. 2, sharp to the water here. 3, that's it, ladies. 4, sharp to the water, guys. 5, nice. 33 and a half. I have 3 legs open back on Riverside. Yeah, 33 and a half. We don't have to catch them before weeks. We got them, guys. Stay cruising. Stay long through the water now. Okay, here comes the big turn. 34 and a half. Let's go ratio shift in 2. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, handles over flat knees. Yes! Rotate around the front end now. Okay, I have my eye on the line. We're gonna go power 10, 3 weeks. 32 and a half. Yeah! Don't let off the press here. Stay on the gas. Stay on the gas. Good! Let's go hips to push for 5 on this one. Hips, 1. Hips, 2. Commit to me, guys. Hips, 3. Hips, 4. And 5. Yes! That's it, Catherine. That's it, Ellen. Alex, Julie, Fizzy, Christina, Caroline, Mackenzie. Yeah! I got your back around this turn. 32 and a half. Stay long, stay loose. Relax into the front end. Relax into the front end. That's it. Okay, guys. Now listen up. Here comes the big turn. In about 15 strokes, we're going to hit it on the starboard side. Let's go direct. Get direct. Get direct. That's it. Get direct, Potomac. Okay, here comes the turn. In 5 strokes, I'm going to call it, guys. Ready? In 2. Starboards hit it. Ports power down. That's 1. That's 2. Starboards go. Yes! Hit me, guys! Yes! That's it, Potomac! Now ready? Yeah, stay on it! Starboards crank it! Fizzy, Christina, go! Go! That's it, even out in 2. That's 1. That's 2, even it out. And let's go ratio shift, handles over flat knees in 2. That's 1. That's 2 on this one. Long. Relax! Yes! 32 and a half. Fuck yeah, guys. Split's looking good. Let's go direct for 5. Here comes the headwind. Drive the hips back for 7. On this one, swing it back. 1, swing. 2, swing. 3, walking. 4, swinging. 5, swinging. 6, swinging. And 7, that's it. And listen up, guys. Here comes Anderson. I want the inside. Okay, breathe for 5 and we're gonna go 15 for power. Ready? In 2. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2 on this one. 1, 2, haul on it, Ellen. 3, haul on it, Catherine. 4, 5, sit up and move. 6, sit up and go. 7, that's it. 8, 9, and 10, give me 5 more. Walking, 5, squeeze. 4, squeeze. 3, squeeze. 2, squeeze. And 1, nice work. Let's go. Pause, finishing 2, that's 1. That's 2, pause the finish. Pick it back up, go. All right, guys, ready? We're gonna go power again for 15. On this one. 1, squeeze. 2, squeeze. 3, squeeze. 4, squeeze. 5, squeeze. 6, squeeze. 7, squeeze. 8, 9, and 10. Good work, guys. Give me 5 more just like that here. 5, squeeze. 4, squeeze. 3, squeeze. 2, squeeze. And 1, that's it. All right, now cruising here at base. I got the line right on, Elliot. I have 3/4 of a length back on this crew on MIT, their first boat. Okay, ready to cruise through them? Let's go legs to push, hips for 7 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Moving. Push, set, that's it. Push, set, that's it. Lock, cha. Lock, cha. Now listen to me. 32.5, 33. We just crossed 1 mile to go. 2 seats up on MIT. Let's go direct for 5, okay? This one. Direct 1. Direct 2. Direct 3. Direct 4. Direct 5. That's it. Push, squeeze. Push, squeeze. Push, squeeze. Nice. Right on. 33.5. Now at this big turn, guys. That's it. Just staying in here, trusting the base and trusting the rhythm. Do not sit and do not quit. Commit to me, guys. Commit to me. Yeah, we're gonna make up those 3 seconds around Anderson, okay? 32.5, 33. Stay on base. And let's go pair by pair around this turn. Julie, Fizzy, give me 5 right now. 1, squeeze. 2, squeeze. 3, squeeze. 4, squeeze. And 5, that's it. Christina, Alex, move. That's it, guys. Push, set. Push, set. Push, set. Ellen, Catherine, ready? On this one, go. 1, ta. 2, ta. 3, ta. 4, ta. And 5, yes! Caroline, Mackenzie, ready? On this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right on. Okay, here comes the turn. I see Riverside, guys, we have about 30 seconds on them right now. 33.5, 34. We don't let our feet off the gas, we stay on it to the end. 33.5, 34. 153 split right now, go you guys a bit of a gust. Sit up, get direct. Sit up, get direct. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is gonna be our devastating move. We push, we get 1 length on Riverside, into, that's 1, squeeze. That's 2, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plates in the water here. 6, 7, that's it. 8, 9, and 10, right on. Now listen to me. I see CBC, we're coming around the turn. Yeah, just direct, sharp around the front end. On the rudder now. Give me 5 to push the cruise behind us back, okay? On this one. Legs to push 1, direct Alex. Legs to push 2. Legs to push 3, 4, and 5, right on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna need starboard power in 3, in 2, or stay on it. 1, starboard's power. Go. Yes! Perfect line now. Stay on the uneven press. Yes, ladies. Into, even out. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, even out. Ready? Let's lift it up. 2 beats from the front end with quickness. That's 1. That's 2 from the front end. 1, yes. 2, 34 and a half. 3, 4, 5, yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ratings on 35. No higher now. Legs squeeze. I'm gonna get you into the weeds here. Starboard rudder. That's it, guys. Now tap it along to the finish. Go. Eyes in. Focus. Let's go 5 for legs on this one. Legs, listen to me. Legs, listen to me. Legs squeeze. Legs squeeze. That's it, PVC. Now ratings on 34 and a half. We're gonna row this last leg like smart fucking ladies, right? 34 and a half, 35. Stay in here, shoulders low, push, send. Yeah, 150 split, 149 coming down, 34 and a half. Stay here, guys. Legs to push again. Legs squeeze. Legs squeeze. Yes. Legs send. Legs send. Now, right on. Okay, guys. Let's think of all the hard work we've done. We're gonna push it. We're gonna trust the rhythm, trust the fitness, and move together. Okay, ready? Let's go. Power 10 before we lift it up. On this one, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 147, 8, squeeze, 9, squeeze, and 10, listen up. Club medal is right there. Riverside, no problem, guys. Now listen up, you're 25 strokes from the line. Okay, let's go up 2 beats from the front end in 2. That's 1, squeeze. That's 2, up 2. Go! That's it, guys. 20 strokes from the line. 20 strokes from the line. Mackenzie, Caroline, Catherine, Ellen, Julie, Christina, Alex, Fizzy. Ready? Last 10. Balls to the wall. On this one, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 146, 8. Stay on it till I call it 9. And 10, just a couple more to cross the line now, guys. Stay in here.